Hey, this is Doug from Doug and Nikki, and I'm here in the outdoor testing studio to tell you about what you wanted to know. Are these off-market, non-GoPro products really good with the GoPro camera? So I attach my GoPro camera to everything. It gets attached to the car, the boat, the motorcycles, my RC cars. They all have GoPro mounts on them, so I run out of the GoPro mounts all the time. And these are obviously, in some ways, more effective because they don't cost as much as the GoPro stuff. But what you want to know is if these work just as well. So I am on multiple sets of these, and these have worked really well for me. They have the legit real 3M backing on the back. The tape is legit 3M tape. Mounts themselves work perfectly with all the GoPro hardware. I've used them multiple times, multiple cameras, multiple times in mounts, and they've always worked perfectly. So I'm going to have to give these a full 5 mounts out of 5 mounts on the Doug score because they just work the way I want. See you next time.